Hi, TRIPlets Together here. In this video I would like to show you a new Reverb plugin from G-Sonique called Psychedelic Tunnel. As you can see here, I've loaded a Renegade synthesizer with pure soul wave. And right after that I will load Psychedelic Tunnel. As you can see, it has initial preset called Ambient Tunnel, and let's dive deeper into this plugin. Okay, firstly, let's take a look at the standard reverb parameters, which is room, which is length of our reverb, dump, which is damping of high frequencies, width, which is wideness of our reverb, reverb mix is standard dry wet knob, signal is amount of wet signal, and main volume is output of reverb. And now some extra features of Psychedelic Tunnel. First one is dark energy, which is my favorite, and it adds an octave lower sound to ours. And the second one is sci-fi. And by this knob, we can increase or decrease the amount of special artifacts, which can be set by LFO speed, depth, and delay, 1, 2, and 3, and pan speed and pan depth. And let's hear what is it. Okay, now let's take a look into presets that are included in Psychedelic Tunnel. I've divided them into 3 groups: rare sounds, leads, and Arps. I've created some simple kick bass line, and let's listen to it. For all sounds that you will hear, I've used stock presets from Renegade synthesizer, and here you can see which preset was chosen. And now let's listen to first sequence with Psychedelic Tunnel bypassed. Okay, let's move to lead sequence, and Psychedelic Tunnel is bypassed. Okay, and let's move to the last part, to Arps. And let's listen with Psychedelic Tunnel by Past. There are two more presets that I didn't assign to any group because I think that they are best for starting points to create your own reverb sound using Psychedelic Tunnel. And let's listen to them. Okay, and this was Psychedelic Tunnel. If you liked it, go to G-Sonique website and try it by yourself. Take care and see you in the next video. Peace!